Welcome to the Baron Finesse Library. In this video, we're going to be learning about EasyBorrow. At the Baron Finesse Library, there are three primary ways for you to get the materials you need through the library system. The library catalog, also known as Primo, EasyBorrow, and interlibrary loan. For this video, I will be focusing on EasyBorrow. You can learn more about how to use the library catalog and the interlibrary loan system through additional videos located on the library homepage. The EasyBorrow system provides access to the catalogs of over 60 different university libraries in Pennsylvania and is free to all Edinboro University students and employees. This is useful to you because it expands your access significantly. Whether you're looking for a specific book, let's say a required course book, rather than paying for the book at the bookstore on Amazon, you may be able to find a copy through the library. It also allows you to expand your searches when looking for materials on whatever subjects you may be researching in class. To access the EasyBorrow system, start by clicking on the library icon in the dashboard on My Edinboro. This will take you to the library homepage. From here, you can click on the EasyBorrow login to log into EasyBorrow. On the EasyBorrow login page, you're going to type in your student ID number. That's the one with the @ sign here in this box. So when you log into EasyBorrow, the first thing you're going to see is a search box here in the middle. This is just a basic search box where you can search for titles, subjects, authors, that kind of thing for the material that you're looking for. Up here in the upper right-hand corner, we have a few other options. There's a help button to get more information about EasyBorrow. There's an advanced search, my account, and you should also see your name here so you know that you're in the correct account. We'll talk a little bit more about these others in just a moment. As an example, I went to the Edinboro University bookstore and looked up the required books for English 101. This one here at the top, called The 1970s by Saggart, is not one that we have available in the library catalog. So we're going to look for it using EasyBorrow. We're going to start off by using the simple search box and typing in the 1970s. So here are the search results that we came up with. And this is where you have to be careful. There's a couple different books here, different books with the same title called the 1970s. And as you'll remember from the bookstore, the one we're looking for is by the author Saggart. So we're going to go down the list and see if we can find that one. There is one that says 1970s by Saggart. So we're going to click on this. The next thing that comes up is a little more information about the book. And if you scroll down a little bit, you can see that this book is available through EasyBorrow. There are several different school libraries that have the book. Over here, there are a few that are checked out, so those are not available, but there are several that say requestable. And so we could go ahead and request this book using this method. Using the simple search bar worked pretty well for us when we searched for our book. This is not always the case. Sometimes you get so many results that you can't find what you're looking for. In this case, using advanced search can help. Under advanced search, you can search specifically by title, author, subject, or ISBN. ISBN stands for the International Standard Book Number. Each book is given a unique number, and this number will change depending on the format of the book, whether it's in softcover or hardcover, and the edition of the book. This is important because your professor might want you to have a very specific edition of the book. In the case of the book that we looked at for English 101, the ISBN number was provided right here. I'm going to cut and paste this ISBN number and search for it specifically. You can see how this significantly reduced the number of search results that I received. This allows me to pinpoint the exact book that my professor is looking for. So just to recap, there are three primary ways that you can get materials through our library system. The first would be the library catalog, meaning we have it either on the shelf or available in ebook through our system. If it's not available in our system directly, you can get materials through EasyBorrow. If for some reason you can't find the material in EasyBorrow, then we have the interlibrary loan system. So why use EasyBorrow? Well, because it's easy. With a click of a link, you have access to over 60 different university catalogs at your fingertips that you can search in a number of different ways. It's also useful. You can find those expensive but required course books that you know that you're only going to use once. And you can also expand your search options when finding sources for projects. It's also quick. In a couple of days, maybe a week, you have that source in your hands. It's the next best thing to having it available on the shelf at the library. If you have any questions, as always, feel free to stop by the library, give us a call at the service desk, use our instant messaging system that's available on the website, or schedule a meeting with one of our librarians.